Okay, so we've been talking about attributes. So we said that we could sort shapes based on their attribute numbers of sides. Maybe all the shapes that have 3 sides would go in one pile, right? Or all the shapes that have 4 sides or 8 sides or 10 sides. What's another attribute?
Corners.
Corners. Do you know what we could call it instead of corners?
Angles.
Fancy angles. Nice job. And we're going to be learning about those. If you don't know that word, angles or corners. Okay, we're going to be talking a lot about those. What is another attribute we could sort? Side, number of sides, angles. What else? Straight lines. Okay.
Yeah, straight lines.
Number of lines that are straight. If our shapes were colored, we could do them on color, right? They aren't because we did it on yesterday. Another attribute we sort by.
Instead of like the corners angles, like the angle, like if it's straight or is it tilting?
Okay. We could say the degree of the angle. We could say if it were a right angle, so a perfect square has 1, 2, 3, 4 90-degree angles. So you could make a little square in each one of those corners, or a rectangle. That's a 90-degree angle. So we could sort it based on degrees of the angle. If there are all shapes that have right angles. What's another attribute we could sort by?
Corners.
Corners. Numbers of corners are numbers of angles. Right? Vertices. Vertices. We could do the number of vertices. Where one point line meets up with another line is a vertice. It's an angle, right? Kind of. But where that line meets up with the other line is called a vertice. Those two vertices meet.
So like the middle of the shape.
Right. The middle of a shape? No. But we'll talk about this in a minute. Okay, so we're going to do some mental math fluency. Are you ready? So I'm going to cover a section, and then we're going to work on it. Okay, are we ready? 3 plus 4, 1, 2, 3. 7. Nice, that's how fast I want it to be. Okay, ready? 5 plus 6, 1, 2, 3.
11.
4 plus 5, 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 8, 1, 2, 3.
12. 11. 12.
11.
9 plus 3 is
9 plus 3 would be, or 4 plus 8, right? 7 plus 9, 1, 2, 3. 16. Oh, the higher they get, the harder you guys are having this math fluency. 6 plus 8, 1, 2, 3.
14.
6 plus 6 is 12, 13, 14. 2 away from 6, so I add 2. 5 minus 2, 1, 2, 3. Now I hear all of you doing that. Flashcards at home. 6 minus 4.
2.
Nice. Listen to how many of you have got that fact fluency. 7 minus 3.
4.
Nice. Okay, good work. We got to work on our addition ones being higher numbers. Okay. So today we're going to talk about our shape cards. So, self check. So I'm going to go ahead. You're going to sit crisscross. I'm going to go ahead and pass out anyone's shape cards. It's not going to be your batch of shape cards, but that's okay. Okay.
I don't have
So you're just going to. Are you listening? You're just going to take the one you get, and I'm going to ask you to sort them in a second. I'm going to take the one you get, and I'm going to ask you to sort them.
Will we have partners? No.
Doesn't matter whose you're getting, because we're just going to share them. But I want you to take yeah, give me that.
Can I have one too? Mrs. DH, can I have one
I'm
too?
working on it.
No. No, throw one back.
Self-check.
Mrs. DH, I have to go.
No, someone's not going to have one.
Okay, who else needs one?
How do we sort this out?
And can you sit with a partner because we had someone who's out and they haven't done this?
I got
Could you sit with Julia?
Teacher, can I be your partner?
Okay.
So teacher,
Out of your bag. And keep them close to you.
I had it. She gave it to me. What? Can I be your partner? One more had one.
Okay, when you're quiet, I'll know you're ready for the next direction.
Mrs. told me.
3, 2, 1, 0. Now I want you to be thinking about, I want you to look at your shape card and pick one shape with 3 sides. and hold it up in the air. One shape with 3 sides. Nice. Nice.
Shape?
One shape with 3 sides. Nice, 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 nice. Careful. Count your sides. Nice, 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 nice. Oh, wait. Let me look at that one more time. You did so fast. Nice.
Wait.
3 sides. Nice.
3?
3 sides. Count those sides. Nice.
I don't have it. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. And bye-bye.
No, don't trade.
I don't have a triangle. How much is that? Count 4. You don't count that. CG. Is that doesn't?
Okay.
Is that?
Now listen. Keep the 3-sided shape with you and get a 4-sided shape and hold them together. 3-sided with a 4-sided.
You found your correct side.
And be prepared to describe these shapes in your head while you're sitting there waiting for us. 2 shapes, one 3-sided, one 4-sided. Be prepared to describe the differences or the similarities or their attributes, right? Okay, who can describe their attributes of their 2 shapes? Everyone's eyes are up so that we can look and see. Describe your attributes. Let me just pass them here. Okay, these are her 2 shapes. Describe the attributes of these shapes.
What does that mean?
We just talked about attributes. She's not ready. My friend, describe their attributes.
They're different because they have different. Because one has more sides than the other.
Nice. So we can unsort them based on their attributes and say these 2 have more sides than the other. So they aren't similar in that way. Nice. Be ready to talk about their attributes.
That one's a square and that one's a triangle.
Okay. So all the square shapes could go in this pile, but they don't go together, do they? Nice. Be ready to talk about their attributes, their differences.
There's 4 corners on the rectangle.
Or 4 angles. Yeah.
And 3 corners.
Or angles. Nice. Good. Okay. Give me something about their attributes. We talked about the angles. We talked about the sides.
The rectangle is a
Quadrilateral. Nice. A 4-sided shape is a quadrilateral. Nice. I like how she's saying. Nice. I like it. Okay, one more. I'll give you one more chance to redeem yourself. Talk to me about their attributes.
They're both different.
Okay, they're both different. They don't share any attributes the same?
Yes, they do. They have sides.
Do they have sides?
Yeah.
Do they have angles?
Yeah.
So we have to be careful about how many angles or how many sides. That would make them different, but they do have angles. So they do share some attributes. Nice. Okay, hold on to those. Put them back in the bag really quick. Give me 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8,
Where's mine?
7,
They put them in here already?
5, 4, 3,
Oh, yeah.
2, 1, 0. Eyes up.
Mrs.
I love it. Thank you.
Miss D.
Thank you. Thank you. All in the bag. Oh, thank you. Oh, they went.
Mrs. D, can I grab one?
Not right now. We're done with that. We're moving on.
Oh.
Okay, eyes are up. You're sitting on those bags.
We're sitting up?
You're sitting on them so I don't have to see that they're in your hands. Sit right down on them. Okay, let's finish the rest of our lesson. Because this is going to be important information for you to have. Are you ready?
Come here.
Eyes are up.
Down, or is that?
You can lay down quietly if you can pay attention. If you can't pay attention, I'll ask you to sit up. Okay, so here we go. We just talked about this, right? We just talked about these are angles. Here's an angle, here's an angle. These are angles within a triangle. Huh? Triangle. It has 3 angles. Tri means 3. 1, 2, 3. Triangle. Okay, here's the sides. And the vertex is where 2 lines meet. So we really could call it an angle, but it's really where the lines meet. This is the vertex right here. This is an angle right here. This is the vertex. Right where those 2 lines meet is the vertex. Okay? Very important that you have that. We're going to need that today. Yes, my friend?
Did you know that angle is in triangle?
That's what we just said. Right?
Oh.
Okay, I'm going to go back to this. Because I'm going to go over your math boxes today. So solve 46 plus 21 plus 9 plus 34 equals what? The den window is 42 centimeters wide. The kitchen window is 60 centimeters wide. How much wider is the kitchen window, then the den window. Use your thinking space right here, subject, and then write your answer. Write a number model, solve. You may draw a diagram. Oh, change. You know, part, total, all those. Spartans scored 76 points. The Huskies scored 40 points. How many more points did the Spartans score? Here's the number model. Here's the answer. Use X's to show the following length data on the line plot. This is a line plot, right? We've seen these before on our Ames web testing. So now you're going to put these, there's a 6, so you're going to put an X here. There's a 5, so you're going to put an X here. There's a 9, so you're going to put an X here. Here's an 8, put an X here. A 6, oh, it goes right above the other 6. Okay? Do you understand?
Yep.
Number 5, it says, explain your strategy for solving problem 1. What did you do here? Landon was doing these last night, by the way, as a first grader. I was pretty impressed. And at first he didn't get that we're going to try to make those quick groups of 10, right? And then after that he was like, oh, easy peasy, Mom. I was like, yeah, you've got it, bud. So I want you to make sure you use your best strategies for that. Okay, you have homework tonight. This is what's already in your mailboxes for tonight, talking about shapes, letting your moms and dads know. And let's go back to topic. Are you ready? So today's topic will be one of the centers. Okay? So you're going to shuffle the cards, place the number side down on the table. Each player turns over one card and says the number on it. The player with a larger number takes all the cards. If 2 cards show the same number, those players turn over another card. The player with the larger number on it takes all the cards in that round. Okay? So the game is over when all the cards have been used over. The player with the most cards wins. So you're going to shuffle the cards, place the deck number side down. Each player turns over one card and says the number on it. And we've really already done that. So let's now go over a harder one. You turn over and talk about it whether it's greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay? Did you see me do that? Yes, my friend. Not right this second. Okay? So one center today is going to be this game. Played so quietly that I don't even know you're playing the game. Right? That's how we play it. That's the mature, responsible way. The other center is going to be math journals. And then the other center is going to be this cumulative pre-assessment. Okay? So that I know what is it that you guys have stuck with your brains and what have you not. Okay? Stuck in your brains and what do I have to remind you of? What are you having a hard time with? Okay? So, when you're finished with all of your work, we're going to go based on the timer. So I'll set the timer. You only have 10 minutes, so you've got to really skedaddle. Yeah. You don't have time to breathe. You don't have time to talk, right? Yeah. Okay, so you have to really work hard. Okay, so 10 minutes, I'll change the center. Questions you cannot answer yourself?